Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite functions, right? In this video, I'm going to explain what is a random function we using in SQLite database. So for that, we don't need any table and data for that. So because we are not going to fetch any data from any particular table. So yeah, let's get into this and sorry to get random numbers, so you have to write a query like this. It's very simple. Random, yeah, that's it. You can see, so we are getting the value. So random value. You can see, um whenever I execute, the new number will be random number will be generated, right? Yeah, that's it. There is some range between the number will be generated within the some range. Probably it might be a negative to positive number. So I don't know the exact value, exact number. So you can search in Google, uh, and but it's a big one. So that's what I can say for sure. Yeah, I hope you can understand the random function using an SQLite database. So in the next video, I'll show you what is absolute function. Thank you, friends.